So if you clicked on this video, you most likely need motivation to eat healthy and to go to the gym consistently. However, if you need motivation to do the most simplest things, you're kind of like a car that has to be constantly fueled every 20 to 25 miles. And obviously, being that way, you're not going to get to your end destination. But that's what I'm here for. I'm going to provide 4 simple ways to stay motivated so you can hit the gym and eat healthy every single day. But before we even talk about that, who am I? I studied nutrition for 6 years and obtained my bachelor's and master's degree in nutrition. Also completed a 10-month internship and where I helped patients and clients achieve their nutrition goals. And most important of all, I practice what I preach. I'm constantly doing research on nutrition and applying it to myself. I used to be very overweight and managed to lose all the weight and even put on muscle. Plus, I'm not like a fitness influencer and where I take a bunch of steroids and then try to sell you a workout plan, but obviously in the plan I don't include that I'm taking steroids. Those type of people just disgust me personally. But let's get into step 1. So step number 1 to stay motivated is to create a routine. Creating a routine helps you incorporate healthy habits into your life. And then once you create the habit of working out and eating healthy, guess what? You're not gonna need motivation. The same way you don't need motivation to brush your teeth in the morning. I mean, I hope you're brushing your teeth. Please don't ruin everyone's day with your manure breath. Just for the bare minimum, please just brush your teeth in the morning. But for real, create a routine of working out. It doesn't have to be every day. You could hit the gym around 4 to 5 times a week, whatever fits your schedule. The point is create a routine. Now, step number 2 is to actually enjoy the routine. Look, being consistent is way better than being optimal. I can give you the best scientifically constructed calculator workout that has the best scientifically proven EMG studies done on it. But if you don't like the exercises that you're doing, you're not gonna follow it. For example, I hate doing Bulgarian split squats. I feel like whoever invented that exercise should go to jail for life. So guess what? I'm not gonna include it in my workout plan because I hate doing it. The same way, don't include foods that you hate into your diet. Try to find some fruits and vegetables that you enjoy and include those into your diet. For example, I don't like bok choy, so I'm not gonna include that in my diet. I don't like green beans, so I'm not gonna include that in my diet. You get the point. All right, step number 3 is to work out with a friend. If you find the friend that has the same common goals as you, it's gonna be much easier for you to hit the gym and to incorporate healthy habits. Having a friend work out with you will make your consistency go up and it will also increase your intensity because you're both trying to motivate each other. Like, yeah, do 2 more reps, do 3 more reps, come on, more. You don't really think that does a difference, but it motivates you to lift more weight because you don't want to look stupid in front of your friend. So use that fact and use it to your advantage. And also, you don't just have to go to the gym with this person. You could also send each other meals of, look, this is what I'm eating today. Oh, what are you eating today? Oh, I'm having salmon with some asparagus. Oh, cool. I'm having some chicken breasts with some potatoes. Like that, both of you are synergistically motivating each other. However, I won't rely on this tip too much because sometimes friends come and go, people become busy, people get different jobs, and they won't work out with you the whole way through. But even if it's just for a season, try to make as much gains as you can throughout that season with that workout buddy or workout friend and try to take the most of it. And also, you want to enjoy working out by yourself because most of the workouts and most of the healthy eating is going to be done by yourself. But occasionally, you could always call a friend, hey, let's work out today. There's nothing wrong with that. And the last tip to stay motivated is to subscribe to my channel. I'm posting health protocols and nutrition advice every single day so you can learn a little thing or two. And when you get your diet and nutrition on point, you'll become healthier. And when you become healthier, you have more energy. And when you have more energy, you have more motivation. And when you have more motivation, you make more results. And when you make more results, you get more motivation. So I hope you learned a little thing or two and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And watch this video here on how to stick to your diet in 2024. I'm out.